Alright guys, so in this tutorial, I'll be showing you how to create a grey account for yourself. So you have been having challenges creating grey accounts. This video will guide you from A to Z on how to create it for yourself. So just ensure you watch this video from beginning to the very end so that you get to learn how to create one for yourself and you get to start getting payments from foreign clients. So if you're new on this channel, this is Digital Payroll, and right on this channel, I talk about ways you can make money online, how to tutorials, and how to grow your YouTube channel. So if this is your first time on this channel, ensure to like this video, ensure to comment, and also subscribe to this channel. Awesome. So for you to create a grey account for yourself, you will need to go to your Play Store and download the application. So let's head on straight to our Play Store right now and download Grey. So right now, I'm on my Play Store. So you can see that we are already downloading it. Alright, so let's wait for this to install. Alright. So once you're done installing it, so let's open this. And this is what the interface looks like. So I guess you can see this. So the good thing about Grey is that you can open a US account on Grey, you can open an Euro account, a Pounds account, and also a Nigerian account. So you are entitled to 4 different accounts if you are using this application. So it means you can receive money in US dollar, you can receive money in British pound, and also in Euro. So just ensure you pay attention so you don't miss any step. So right here, you have to click on Get Started. So once I click on Get Started, then they said, what country do you live in? So just ensure you choose your country. Don't worry, Grey works in Nigeria, so you don't have to choose UK or US. Ensure you choose your country so that it don't get complicated for you. So once you choose Nigeria, so you can see what they have down here. They said, kindly note, the document you can use for your verification depends only on your selected country of residence. Please double check your choice. So that is why a lot of people eventually have difficulties because they are in Nigeria or in another country and they get to choose that they are in UK. So eventually they'll be unable to create one. So let's go ahead and click on continue. So you see they said confirm you have a valid ID for Nigeria. So I'll click on proceed with Nigeria. So right here you have to put in your basic information. So ensure that the names you are putting down here correspond with what are on your documents. If not, you eventually have challenges creating this account. Ensure that you are putting down the same information as what is in your document. So let me go ahead and fill mine right away. So right here, this should put a referral code. So I'll be giving you guys the referral code to use. Just check the video description for your referral code. So right here, I just inserted the referral code. Don't worry, I'll paste it in the comment section or in the description. Just check for it so that you get to use it for yourself. So I just come here and click on continue. So once I click on continue right here, so right here, they asked me to put in a password for myself. So ensure you use a password that is strong enough and also use a password that you remember. Then you click on continue down here. So over here, they said they've sent an OTP to my email. So let me go to my email and check for the OTP, then come and insert it right here. Alright, so this is what it brings next. So they said, what do you want to use Grey for? Select all use cases that match. So what I'll do now is I'll just select everything. So I'll select everything. Then I'll come here and click on continue. So right here they said set your all-in-one pin. So I'll create my pin right now. So I'm done putting in my pin. So I'll click on continue again. So I'm asked to confirm my pin. So I'm done confirming it. So I'll click on finish setup. So can you see they said welcome to Grey. So what you do at this point is you click on go to home. So I'll click on go to home. Enable location service. Click on I will do this later. So now we have successfully created a Grey account for ourselves. Are you seeing that? We've successfully created a Grey account for ourselves. Now I'll be showing you guys how to create your US bank account, your UK account, and also your Nigeria account. So this is where the works begin. So make sure you pay attention, pay close attention at this point. So come to where you have ID verification over here. Click on begin. Can you see begin up here? So I'll click on begin. So they say complete your KYC verification. So I'll click on begin KYC verification. So this is where you'll be putting in your ID card and every other document you need. So right here, they say you should put in your date of birth, your home address, and proof of address. Let me just fill that right away. So I'm done filling that. They said I should provide my document type where they have proof of address. So I just click on that, and right here you can use any of these. But I advise you to use utility bill because it is the easiest to get. Just use your NEPA bill. Do you understand? Use your NEPA bill. So I'll click on utility bill. Then I'll upload the picture of the utility bill. So let me just snap it right away and upload right away. So I have uploaded my utility bill. So I'll click on continue right here. They said you're almost there. Do you identify as a political exposed person? Are you a family member or close associate of a political exposed person? So just click on no to be on the safe side. For the two of them, click on no, then you click on continue again. So one more step, before you can make any transaction on Gray, we are required to verify your identity. So right here, you can provide either your international passport, your driver's license, or your national ID card. So I'll click on continue, so I can go and provide the documents. Awesome. So right here, this is where you do the work. So let's get started by clicking on get started. I'll click on I am ready. So they said I should choose a document type, and they gave me the option to choose between NIN, driver's license, passport, or voter's ID. So I'll be choosing NIN. So right here, they asked me to put my NIN number. Alright, so I'm done putting in my NIN number. So I'll click on next. They say you should prepare for verification. So at this point is where you get to like take a selfie. So ensure you're in a well lit area so you can take a selfie. So just go ahead and do that over there. So let's wait for this to count down finish. Then I'll click on continue. So can you see your details are under review? Are you seeing that? You'll be notified once your information has been reviewed. Then let's click on back to home. So and over here they said your account has been verified. Hooray, you can now make transactions on Gray. Can you see it's very simple? Now we've successfully created a Gray account and even went ahead to verify our account on Gray. So at this point, you want to get your US account, you want to get your British account and also your UK account alongside your Nigerian account. So what you do now is you click on get your back account. Can you see this down here? So once you click on get your back account, so over here they ask you to confirm if it's your name. Can you see? So I'll click on yes, it is correct. So come over here and click on work information. So once you click on work information, they'll ask you what are you doing? What do you want the foreign account for? So just ensure you choose I am a freelancer over here. So when you get to this part, they say you fill the form below to complete your request. So just put order as your occupation. So I'll just choose on order, which is information technology because it's aligned with what I do. So come to where you have select platform, your freelance platform. Right here you choose order also. So right here you put in your LinkedIn profile link. So let me just go and copy my LinkedIn link and paste right here. Alright, so I just pasted my LinkedIn link. So they say I should select my monthly income band. So let me just choose one of the income band right here. So I just choose $1,500 to $2,000. So come over here and tick this so that you get to confirm all your informations are correct. Then click on submit. So that's done. So you can see our address information is still under review. So once the review is done, you automatically have a US bank account for yourself. In fact, not just US bank accounts, even other accounts. Can you see? So when you go down here, you can see all the other accounts you can create. So once the review is done, then all this will be done successfully for you. And that is basically how you go about creating a working Gray account for yourself. So if you would like me to teach you how to create a virtual card for yourself so that you can use it to make online payments, if you want me to teach you how to create a virtual card, how to get access to a virtual card, just go to the comment section now and comment. Drop a comment regarding that and I'll make a tutorial on that in my next video. If I get enough comments, then I'll make a tutorial on that in my next video. So I believe you're able to create an account for yourself after watching this video. So if you're able to create one for yourself, ensure you like this video, ensure you comment that you actually created one successfully, and also ensure you subscribe to this channel. And also do it to share this video with your friends. Okay? Alright. So I'll be seeing you guys in my next tutorial. Bye guys.